Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in this week's video I decided to apply some Flexi press tips to my nails. And the ones that I went for were the coffin non-buffed nails or Flexi press tips. So I just apply my base coat to my nail, which I cure in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then I apply my Miss You Beauty's gel strengthener to my nails and apply it to the the Flexi press tip. So I'm just applying it to my nail. Then I apply it to the tip, which I have actually buffed myself. And then I place that down on my nail, and while I'm holding it down, I actually this time got my husband to cure them for me. And I know I'm going back to front. I started on my little finger and I'm going then with my ring finger, middle finger, I know I'm doing it back to front, but it's actually easier for me to do it this way because if I don't have a nail on my thumb, I can hold down the Flexi press tip, if that makes any sense to anybody whatsoever. So that is why I've gone in this order. I know it's random, but there you go. So my husband actually held my LED lamp for me. I just wasn't feeling the best when I did these nails, so my husband helped me out with it, bless him. So yeah, so I cured each nail in the LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then I did shorten them slightly, and then I'm going in here, I'm just filing around the cuticle area just to make sure that there will be no lifting, and then I go in with a buffer and buff the buff that nail as well. So this is the design on my thumb. Miss You Beauty have some new 4-in-1 gel polishes. If you follow me on Instagram, you will have seen my posts. This one is called Zoe and it is absolutely stunning. It looks quite red on the camera, but in real life it's kind of like a, oh man, I don't know, like a neon. Oh, it's beautiful. Just a lovely, lovely colour. So it's like a cerise almost. It's gorgeous. Anyway, so I cured that in my LED lamp for each coat for 30 seconds. You don't need top coat because it's a 4-in-1 gel polish. So you've got base coat, 2 coats of colour. So it's primer, base coat, colour and top coat all in one gel bottle, sorry. And then I went on top here with my foil. So I applied the gel to my nail, cured it in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I went over the top with some foils from Miss You Beauty, and I love it. And then I did apply top coat and applied my cuticle oil. So here's another colour from Miss You Beauty. It's Claire, again in the 4-in-1 gel polish collection. And this again, absolutely stunning colour. I just love it to bits. I really love this. So 2 coats of this and I cure it in my LED lamp. And then with my holographic chrome powder, I just sort of put little circles of it, dotted little circles of it on the nail, just here, there and everywhere. And then what I did is I went over the top of those circles, with my Miss You Beauty's non-wipe top coat, and I created little lumps of holographic chrome powder. So I cured that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds, and then I wiped off the excess glitter and applied cuticle oil. So this one, again, I went in with Claire and I created a matte nail with this. The amazing thing about this 4-in-1 gel polish, as I have mentioned, is that they do not require top coat. And my word, it just makes manicure times so much quicker. It is amazing. And the colours are just so beautiful. And they last ages. I love them on the nail. I love them. So with me applying my holographic chrome powder on my forefinger, you didn't actually need to apply top coat before I applied the chrome powder. So yeah, which then makes applying chrome powder even easier. It was brilliant. So matte top coat, curing my LED lamp for 60 seconds, and look at that. I love it. So my ring finger, I went in with the Brush Up Builder Gel in the shade Porcelain. Bit like what I did last week for my last week's nails. I applied 2 coats of this. I cured the first coat in my LED lamp for 60 seconds, and then I went in with my second coat. But before I cured my second coat, I just applied some little sequins to my nail. Just dotted them around, like here's my swirl, and I don't know what you call that, but anyway, some little sequins, glittery sequins, hexes, and yeah, all different bits. And because they are quite chunky, I decided to go in on top of that with my Brush Up Builder Gel in the clear shade, or Bare as it is called. So then I cured that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds, and that was to ensure basically that none of those sequins would catch and pull off. So then I went in with my top coat and cured for 60 seconds. So then Zoe again on my little finger here. Just absolutely love this colour to bits. I apply 2 coats of this, cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I apply another coat of my matte gel polish to create that matte effect, which I cured for 60 seconds. And I just love matte nails. I just think it's fabulous. So thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as always, please give me a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. And don't forget, I do have a discount code for you all to take advantage of, Beautified10, for the Miss You Beauties website, which will be linked below. Thank you so much, guys, and I shall see you in my next video. Take care and stay safe. Bye.